What's up, YouTube fam? It's your boy titanicfeetjack back at you again with another video. Today we're going to take a look at a shoe. It actually released on today. Finally, this shoe has been pushed back several times due to different circumstances, but we finally get our hands on it today. So we're going to take a look at it here today. Before we get into that shoe, I just want to say subscribe to the channel if you haven't already. Also hit that notification bell so you'll be notified every time I upload a video, and leave a comment. Let me know what you think of today's shoe and the video. Now let's get into the sneaker. We see this box. It has the carrot on the box. Carrot is the favorite snack of rabbits. I'm not sure where that came from. Maybe Bugs Bunny, because I haven't seen a pet rabbit. I'm not a guy that grew up with a pet rabbit, so I'm not sure, do rabbits even eat carrots? But this was on the box. We have the Jumpman logo up top, and on the side of the box we have the Hare Jordan lettering on here, and we have the Jordan Jumpman logo right here up front. So we're gonna go ahead and read the label. It says Air Jordan 6 Retro, US size 12, color neutral, gray, black, and white. We have a price point of $190 US. Let's go ahead and remove the sneakers out of the box. We have that Hare paper, Hare design paper. It's nice and glossy. We have that gloss tissue right here. Let's go ahead and get the sneaker out. Go ahead and close the box. Right. Yep, we got the Hare 6s finally. Get a good look at that. Okay, guys, we're gonna start with the right shoe. The upper of the shoe has some nice white tumbled leather, and like on all retro 6s, we have on these as well. We have the number 23 designed into the sneaker. We also have some smooth leather up here on the upper in the neutral colorway. Moving along to the midsole, we have that white midsole with a translucent red. Almost looks a little pink depending on the light you look at it in. And we have the exposed air system in white right here. On the outsole of the sneaker, we have more of that translucent red. Also, we have some green at the heel down here. We have a cold purple Jordan Jumpman on top of the white colorway. Let's move to the heel of the sneaker. We have a stitched on Jordan Jumpman. Also, the Air lettering is stitched on in the cold purple color. We have this heel, which is black with a red strip on top, and it is stitched on with that cold purple stitching. The back of the heel has that Hare. We have that Hare design going on here. Look on the inside. Let's remove the shoe tree. We're going to place that over here. Look on the inside of the shoe tree. We have that Hare design on the insert with a white Jordan Jumpman logo. Yep, and we have a black sock liner. The sock liner is black on these. Let's go ahead and look at the inside of the sneaker. We have MJ going on with the white tumbled leather. It's pretty good leather they used on these. And let's look and see that MJ, get a good look at that. Better look for you guys. Also have that smooth gray neutral leather right here on the upper. The midsole again has that white colorway, also with the translucent red colorway on here. And we have the exposed air system, which is white. Moving along to the toe box, we have that smooth leather, which is that neutral colorway in the toe box. Going up the tongue, we have a red tongue with a black Jordan Jumpman stitched on. We have white laces, the white flat laces, and we also have a push pin which resembles a carrot with the orange, the green top, and we have a red Jordan Jumpman on here. The top of the tongue, we have this almost iridescent plastic on top of the Hare material, and it has Hare Jordan on here. Look at the left sneaker. It says MJ on here in the white tumble leather on the upper, and we also have that smooth neutral colorway leather on here as well. On the midsole, we have that translucent red around the exposed air system, which is white on the inside, and we have some more white on the midsole. Outsole of the sneaker, it continues with that translucent red. We have the green on the heel of the outsole, excuse me, and that cool purple Jordan Jumpman on top of some more white. Let's look at the heel of the sneaker. We have that cold purple Jordan Jumpman stitched on the Hare lettering, and cold purple stitching to hold this on. With a black sock liner, we have the Hare design on the back of the tongue. And again, look on the inside. We have that Hare. We got that Hare action going on the shoe insert with the white Jordan Jumpman going on. Inside of the sneaker, we got that number 23 going on with that nice white tumble leather. Also have that neutral leather going on here. And on the midsole, we have that white midsole. We have that translucent red colorway around the exposed air unit, which is white on in here. Pretty cool sneaker. Toe box, the neutral leather going all the way up. This sneaker only came with one pair of laces. I'm not sure why, but comment below, let me know what other color laces you think these should have came with, guys. Because me, myself, I like options. I don't like to be boxed in when it comes to my sneakers or my fashion. I like options. Okay, we have that red tongue with the black Jordan Jumpman stitched on. We have the carrot looking push pin with the red Jordan Jumpman logo. We have that plastic iridescent piece on top of the Hare design on the top of your tongue, guys. These are the Air Jordan Hare 6s, guys. Comment below, did you get a pair? And if you got a pair, was it easy for you to get? Because normally these sneakers lately have been very challenging to get online or in store. These shoes did come out in full family sizing, guys. And me, myself, I decided to not get these right now because I like the shoe. I just feel that I can wait and get it at a reduced price, guys. So comment below, tell me your thoughts of the shoe, tell me your thoughts of this video. Also, don't forget to share this video, comment, also subscribe to the channel and hit that notification bell so you'll be notified when I drop a new video. Hit that like button, hit the like button. I can't stress that enough. For those of you that already hit the like button, thumbs up to you guys. I'd like to thank you for watching this video. Y'all have a great day.